Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode of Dishi za Ajab. Now today's episode I'm going to show you how to make the thick fluffy pancake, otherwise known as American style pancakes. Now they are different from the crepes. On this video you learn how to make them, the difference. I'll try and explain the difference between the two, and I hope you learn something new. Let's get cooking. So when it comes to the ingredients, I'll start with the 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs, and here what I have is Maziwa Mala. If you're using milk, you can use the same amount. This is 1 cup, 240 ml. And of course, I'm using the self-raising flour from Ajab. The first thing I want to do is to weigh the flour. I need about 140 grams, so 2 eggs. I can also add the sugar. So because Maziwa Mala is thick, when you add the flour, this mixture will become thick fast with less flour because of the Maziwa Mala. If you're using milk, for the same amount of flour, the mixture will not be as thick as it should be. Now the whisk will actually help you beat the mixture until it becomes smooth. This is the thickness that you should have. It should be a thick mixture, but not too thick. Running but thick. So one thing I'll add some vanilla flavor, about half a teaspoon. If you don't have it, you can skip it. Usitense kama una. So that's the thickness. So the first thing you want is the pan to be hot. Get some oil. You can also use margarine, not too much oil. Margarine or butter. Pour at the center, 1.5, that's what I will use, and let it spread by itself until it comes to a stop. The top will start producing small bubbles and then it will dry up. You want to wait for it to dry on one side. Check on the bottom and see if it's nicely browned. If it's too high heat, it will burn, because at the bottom, on the bottom side, it's already cooked. And I'll turn it. Now when you put too much mixture, what will happen is it will cook on this side before it cooks on the other. They're nice and fluffy and smells really delicious. This, for me, they look nicer in terms of the thickness. It's even, it's nicer. My mouth is watering. So right now I'm about to sign out, but I hope you've learned something new. Today you're making pancakes, the thick American style pancakes, and these are extra fluffy because I'm using buttermilk or Maziwa Mala. I hope you'll enjoy yours. I know I will enjoy mine. You can serve them with some fruits on the side or just plain as they are, either for breakfast, for a snack, whichever you prefer. Just hope that you not finish them before you finish cooking them, because they're really delicious. So until next time, I'm signing out. I'm Chef Raphael. This has been another episode of Dishi za Ajab. Goodbye.